3, 2, 1, go!
And we're off in auto. Already we're seeing some fuel escaping the field here on the Blue Alliance side. Red Alliance, we have two brilliant arcs of fuel coming over from the esports, heading over into their hub. The human players also working hard to top up that score, although they are already getting so many points to start off. It's a great lead for the Red Alliance. Over on the Blue Alliance side, we have two robots working against three. Let's hope that they can claw this back for their team. We have Titanium Tigers and the Robots also heading over with a hopper full of fuel. They've got that all full up now, and they are going to make the most of that active hub, scoring a few pieces in there now. Let's hope they can pick up that pace. Titanium Tigers joining them now, getting that fuel into the air, scoring those much-needed points for their alliance. They're getting as much scored as possible. Meanwhile, esports and their Red Alliance partners, the Neon Krakens and Zebracorns, are all ready with their hoppers full of fuel as their hub comes into action. Esports firing off a stream of fuel now. It seems like Neon Krakens and Zebracorns are parked up at the moment. This might be a 1v2 situation we're looking at here. Definitely makes things more interesting. A lot of pressure on the robots that are active. Esports are vacuuming up the rest of the fuel that they can get their hands on in their side of the field as their hub goes dark. It's the Blue Alliance time to shine now. Titanium Tigers firing off a volley of fuel, much needed points for their alliance. They're going back and scooping up some more fuel from the corner of the field. It does seem like the Robcobots aren't moving. Oh, no, they're back up and running. That's great. Their alliance partners are going to need all the help they can get. The Red Alliance still has a pretty hefty lead at this point, but the Blue Alliance still has some time. Got about a minute left of play. And the Red Alliance hub is active. Let's see if the esports can head back over and get that fuel flying. And they're off. Absolutely loads of pieces of fuel flying in the air from esports. They are very carefully trying to scoop up as much as possible and get back into position to fire some more. Bit of a crash there. It does look like Neon Krakens are firing at the very least. They managed to get some fuel out of their intake. Does seem like maybe their robot's having some difficulties. Another escaped piece of fuel there. All right, that sound means it's time for the end game. Both hubs are active. Esports trying to grab some more fuel from the midfield. Titanium Tigers looking to do the same. Looks like Robocobots are able to get firing again. They're just lining up for their hub, trying to get those last-minute points. There's about 10 seconds left on either side. Red's still very much in the lead, but this was a 2v1 match. A very interesting lineup for these alliances. Only a couple seconds left now. Final volley from either side. They managed to score 153 points to the Blue Alliance's 57, which means they also managed to score a ranking point for energizing their hub.